Okay. Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. We are Team 5. See it, say it. And our challenge was to build on the initial voice workflow so that we can improve health and safety. And basically, our objective was to make an application that can record health and safety observations with as few clicks as possible using voice. So we are now going to go into a live demo. By the way, I'm out on a construction site, so I'm about to record an observation. Record observation. Missing fall protection. Floor 1. High. You have to use your imagination. So this is where we are. Okay, so as you can see, I didn't click on my phone once, and we've just recorded a health and safety observation out on site.
Basically, on the slide, this is sort of what we're aiming for. So we did a quick snapshot at the back. So this is the metadata about the image. So our intentions is where we can have the latitude and longitude to get the exact location, and with the floor level, because the altitude isn't exactly working with it, just because it's not accurate enough. We decided to do this and then add the floor level, so it's more accurate for the moment until technology sort of advances.
Okay, so what is the objective for this? Well, today it tends to be a small group of people, site managers, certain site supervisors who are able to see safety hazards and record them, but it misses out on everyone else's eyes out on site. So the idea here is to empower people out on site with a super easy guided way to input the information that's valuable to the rest of the team. So basically, next slide please, it solves two groups of people's problems. One is the guy out on site who needs a quick and easy and accurate and safe way to record observations. And then also for the project managers, project executives, they want to have a consistent way of getting a lot of data on health and safety observations from all of their projects. So here is a very high-level solution architecture of what we've developed. We developed the app that you saw using Flutter. We did the voice speech-to-text recognition using Dialogflow, stored it in the Firebase database. And then the idea with this application is that it doesn't try to recreate existing safety apps out there, but it can, using APIs, integrate with a number of existing safety applications out there, but it gives you this quick and easy data collection, data capture layer on top of it.
And so, yeah, the benefits, generally, it's involving the workers. So the site manager at the moment is going around and sort of observing it themselves. But why are you doing that? Because it's so inefficient where if a worker sees it, they've got to flag it out to the site manager. Why can't that be done where you send a notification? So we're going to talk about that in our enhancements. So that's where we sort of want to get to. We think the workers are the eyes and ears of the site manager. And then it's just providing that immediate evidence, photographic evidence that there is something that needs to be taken care of. So yeah, the constraints of this, you need to teach the workers the terminology of how to use it, because obviously at the moment, it's in its testing phases. So what we have done, using the HSC RIDDOR data, we've web scraped it, and then we're using all the synonyms, and we'll show you that in a minute also. It's basically allowed a lot more synonyms to be used, and then it's just making it as more user-defined as possible, as well as using that HSC data. And then yeah, the future enhancements is the alerts, assigning responsibility to the workers, like we were saying. And then the Power BI. So, like I said, we had this is the RIDDOR data here. So I created a Power BI dashboard, sort of with the, so it's like high, low, and medium risk. So at the moment, there was no data with this challenge. So we created our own. And with this, we sort of added so we've got the locations of the hazard here, and so you've got the issue date of the hazards, and then you've got description, so you can filter it as of when. And